So yes guys, this is Trini Spearfishing and Adventure. Well, you don't know, in one of my favorite spot. So people, we come out here today to get some nice fish. We come to make a nice little broth. We come to slack a net and all. We have a nice little piece of net. We're going to slack it. And here the vibe's nice. We come a little early today to prepare because we missed some nice fish. In this video here, let's check out this video. We missed some nice fish. And we prepare ourselves and we come back for it proper today. So yes guys, I'll stay tuned, I'll enjoy this one and rock back. So yes people, we're not sticking. What's going on here? Rod fixing. Proper thing. We're not playing that this time. Watch, we bring out the bad boys for them. Good coming there. I did cook for the night. I did man make any broth tonight. The Ravi somewhere in the bush there. I don't want to say where he is. I don't want to say what he's doing, but in the bush. So yeah people, what's going on? I tell you, when them fellas them functioning, what's going on here? Tackle box like that. Thing on that. What the vibes? If you know the water proper too. And yeah, we come out to blaze them tonight. So let me see if we get some nice thing. We've seen some birds. Some nice birds there that I will be looking at. You see them birds on up there? I don't know if I'll see it on the camera, but when you're fishing, you're looking for that. That means it's a fish. Bait and thing in the water, so yeah, you want that. So yeah people, the water nice. Little choppy, but I will calm down just now. Like the cook there, what you cook? Alright, now stay tuned. You'll see a nice little sunset on all the rods and things, but I'm going with the caster for now. So yeah, we're going to set up this caster and drop it in the water and see what we get. Them fellas them bring things to make broth, but there are no fish, so you know we have to bring fish. Right? So let's stay tuned. What's going on here? We have one man in the water already. You're okay with it?
That's fish alone.
Fish alone?
Yeah.
That is it. Are you talking about the vibes? Let's see what could bring in there. Well, I linking up my nice little rod here, so let's stay tuned for that. Bring him good. Yeah. Action, whee! A man standing out there. Whee! Yeah, I thought I see that going on White Islands there. Hey, Ravi, where went by?
Yeah.
Make your call?
Yeah boy, fresh out. Real mosquito too boy.
Oh god, the vibe's nice all. What's going on here? Real nice wind too. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll see what's coming. So yes people, we are caught by the jetty there, handle of the sea. But meanwhile, we are Ravi here. What should we have in the barrel? So right, we're going to set out this in the water, and maybe next 3 hours we're going to check it back and I'll go see that too. So yeah, me and my boy here, we're going to handle this in. We have some nice little snorkel guys to help you out. So yeah guys, stay tuned.
Make it up and fell tomorrow.
Show the camera there, show the camera there.
Well, the reds for the evening.
Hey! Yeah, people, let's check out this. We now come back from pulling nets, so a little wet. Check out this view now, let's check out the lighting now, man.
Yeah. It's just going to be a point that we see red fish now. So that'll be the red.
That's the second fish.
Yeah, they call me bait master, boy. The kitchen bait.
Oh God. The vibe's nice out there, the vibe's nice. The vibe's nice. Right now, I'm wet, I'm going to change my clothes.
You know why? Because on top for the air space.
Check out the bait master here, double, watch it. Doubles. That's the bait master there.
I train back there.
That's the vibes now there. Proper thing. What's going on here? What's going on here? Fellas, I'm complaining about mosquito. No more mosquito. There, fellas.
So we're outside.
And it's that. You know what you do? You can take out that now. No more mosquito. And we mass up. And we have some life bait there. And we action and
Chicken fish, you know.
right. That's nice out there. Smoke like that. Proper thing. Let me see our cast there. Let me see it in action there. Let me see it. Yeah. That's my boy out there. Going on center. We go and throw this line straight to Patos. That is it. That is the distance we're looking at tonight. Let me see Kurt. Let me see Mr. Kurt on the road there. Straight Patos, eh? Hey, yeah, just flick your blade. Straight Patos, there you go.
Shit, patos.
That is it. Proper thing. Bag and tie. Give me bag and tie, man. Eh?
Yeah, back on top one time. I'll never see we go home tonight.
There we go. What's going on here now, boy? Live
Whole
bait, that
night.
man catching whole night for you. Yeah, Ravi here. Sit here and here. On here, guys. So actually, what it is, see what it is.
Reds.
And that's red fish there, man. Nice reds. Bring them over the jetty. Nice reds, man. Nice reds. What you see again? Not in action.
Nice little reds, guys.
Nice reds.
Shrimps working tonight.
Hey people, we are the chef here. We have some aloo and sweet potato and we have in the bag there. We have some cassava, we have some carrots. We have the macaroni, I see in there. Some peeled cassava already. Some pimentos. We have some golden. Proper thing, people. We have some carrots. And we have some macaroni. Correct. And the menu is some soup. And we have some salt and black pepper and stuff inside. Correct. So the menu is, people, veggie broth. Cause so far we catch no fish as yet. Right now the vibes now priming up. But the boys have to eat, so if it's veggie, it's veggie, no? Right?
Say no more.
If it's veggie, it's veggie. That is it. Good job.
Nice job.
Come on, action! Yay! Action! Ready, car.
Nice reds, boy.
Nice reds,
boy.
Oh my,
Tap on.
boy.
No, boy, bullshit, boy.
Come. Bring this one, I don't hear this.
Yeah.
Give me the end there. That's up.
Hey,
Hey,
boy! can strike good, I can strike good.
Hey,
Hey, is the man who fell on the road there?
no boy. He real strong, boy, no boy.
Yeah, get the pliers, get the pliers.
He real strong, boy. Hit my heart. Yeah. Come up like that, dog. Nice way over. He's strong, eh?
Let's see what's going on here.
Hey.
I'm gonna take off your light now, man.
Yeah, that's the man who fell on the road, eh? Yeah, hey.
Nice big one. It now start. The vibes is on.
Hey. Action, boy.
Can't go wrong.
Action, boy. Yeah, this man. Yeah, this is one here. This is
Man
one.
cooking and the man fell to the road too, eh? And that fella just really real.
Yeah, that good. Hey, that good fish. That good fish. That good fish. That good fish.
Our flowers or something.
That is what we talking about, boy.
Our flowers or something. We have to get flowers.
Right, man.
Yeah. Shrimp to the
Shrimp. Watch him here.
monsters.
Monster.
Shakespeare Road too, eh? We map out for them again.
Yeah, well, that's
Now
it.
start the fishing and
We ain't start
off
yet.
Good.
Look, all the roads still in the ground.
Like we're talking about
We have
you
one
won't make
road.
up yet.
We have one road. So much thing we do already.
Yeah, correct.
See how I make that rig dog, huh?
Take out the lighter. Take out the lighter.
Outside, we outside.
I want to show you the man who shot in that line. That the man shot the line there. That the man pull the fish.
Now the man who beat it.
That the man bait it. And I pull it up on the jetty. Ah!
That's team performance.
Yeah, it's
Team
a performance, dog.
Correct.
That
Team
is it.
performance.
The most important thing
We get it more.
on the board.
That's right.
Correct. One
Bag.
down,
Bag and tag.
bag and tag. Going on here, people. Function in the junction, What's going on? Rod set up, that's how we like it. Right now, this white rod here. That's the hot rod right now. And the vibe's nice. As them fellas on there. That's so now waited. Waited like Kobo. As a slip the slide guided.
Bag and tag going forward.
They're going up like this fish here. And a big red fish here.
Just unwash. Just unwash and yeah. And clean. Sorry about dog. Put it up. Multi-purpose now. Yeah.
Malu dong.
Multi-purpose now.
Yeah.
They're using as two bowl and a drain right now.
Correct.
And they're using as a cover.
Yeah, and you can stick your fish on your food.
Dog.
Yeah. What's going on here? What's going on here? But aloo big way. I looking for the aloo, I think not.
You like aloo?
Yeah, I mean, aloo is life, right? Got space for anything else there?
Yeah, man. You will get fish.
Nice. So any vibes earlier. So looking colorful. Nice. That's it. That's it. Proper thing. What's the view now? That is it. What's going on here, people? Fish. What's going on here, people? Pot on the stove. We have a boy here. Man ball and can't beat him. Let's see what's going on. What's going on with you?
I just start from ever since, you know.
Hey.
I went and won myself a starfish.
5-star dog.
I mean, we outside. Look
Proper
like a
thing.
spider.
Yeah, nice guy.
Yeah, nice, eh?
Proper. Yeah, trademark. Wait, now he take the hook?
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, I'll agree.
Well,
Something wrong. First
Wait.
time I see that.
he come by the stand now, boy.
Star is follow star.
Correct.
Yeah, right. Well, we start making a broth there. Check it out. Nice fresh pimento going in there. That is it. Nice. The vibe's nice all there. Woo! So that thing look. Yeah. Veggie broth, boy. Proper thing. I like how them cherry pepper is floating on top.
Boss on it.
Boss on it. Proper thing. Them boys them letting me down on the side here. Okay, now I tell you.
We try to hold more bait when we hardly get bite in the big line.
You know what happened? Tide flat out there.
Yeah,
Tide flat out there. Yeah. Bring him, Ravi. Pull in, Jack, Ravi.
No, double red.
Hey, what you said?
Double reds, right?
Check the size on it.
Double
Size that
reds,
cover
double.
that didn't cover in our eyes.
That's smaller even a hub
we go say catch and release there.
Yeah, the catch and release.
Watch them rods now. Watch them rod bad boys waiting now there. And what's on the side there? What's all going on here? Finito. Finish.
Get down in the middle.
What's your Tommy? First man on board. Ooh, looking delicious. Proper thing. Nice. Taking one of this first. That is it, Ravi. You want the fish? Take the fish, Anna.
Next song's I'll take the fish.
Oh God, I'm happy there. Security there, security.
Veggie soup.
First time you eat a veggie?
Nah, it's veggie already. Of course, I cook one though.
Nice, that is it. Yes, people.
Nice veggie soup. Good side.
We have to tag it.
Can't say that on that. We eat healthy tonight.
Yes, man.
The pan hot so it.
Yeah, my chef, boy. So you're trying to say, you're catching fish, you're cook food, everything I look at, right?
I'm also put some water and we have a nice time.
Proper line.
Show it on people.
Yeah. Woo, that veggie. That veggie, bro. Cut, my dog, boy. Cut. Come on, bowl there.
All your stuff will hide.
Come on, bowl there. Yeah. Man, bowl there. Fish load up, thing. And the vibe's nice still. Yeah, people. So we're going to pick up the net. We're going to pick up the net just now. Hey people, what you going on here? We're going to see what the net have for me. Yeah, my boy here.
Masked up.
Take your time. No light. Forget the time. Light home. Go. We go up. And you'll have my up there, I'll hand you. That's how we do it here. Couple longer. Actually, heavy, but we didn't get time to take out fish on it because we didn't have no light. So we just grab and push.
So got it right there.
Alright, after we go out. See something there? Put that there by camera. Cameraman.
See something there.
Where's that?
Nice size.
Size the cover, yeah, right. Yeah, just leave that there and come back on this end. Come back and collect this end. Yeah, that's not. Come quick, that boy. These people that want proper thing.
Wow.
Yeah?
That's a nice fish.
Call that a lippy. Lippy.
Take him out on that, man?
Yeah. Lippy. What is size now? What 2 foot? What is size now? Ha. Broader now. Come baby, come. You call this proper thing. Think with the back. Shop. No, we don't. Hey, check that out. What's it, brother? Proper. He's there. You see what I'm doing? Yeah, come now. Nice.
Real that way.
Hey, Lippy.
Still living in it.
Strong way. No push way.
She doesn't want to get it over there.
When I go along below that, I see
The fish now start to push. Yeah, man. Hey, see something down there, alright?
Something there.
You know it just, see that? Guy just wrapped that up for you.
Looking like a catos.
Big catos.
A big catos though.
Big catos.
I eat inside catos, man.
Correct. What's your nice size.
Real wide up and down that way.
Yeah. He catch long.
Still living.
Nice catfish. Yeah, dog. Yeah. Really first pick up, you pick up, man. Yeah, when I see you, I smile. I said, nice.
Size
This size for dal and rice.
there.
He boss man that too.
So you gotta make you say man.
Yeah.
two catfish.
Yeah.
Nice catfish, man.
But we can't get some other sort of line by.
Right? For real, eh? Any small one come around
I don't mind holding that size of line.
I eat size.
What do you mean?
I eat in size. Oh, the water feeling nicer.
You live in that?
Yeah, you live in.
Yeah,
Like a theater.
that's it.
Water feeling nice. When you come out of the water, it's cold.
Yeah, it is
Well,
well.
para bago tapi hozi jadi
Yeah.
apa?
Yeah?
Bagantag, boy. Bagantag.
Yes, people. Bang shot. Ajam fella, ajam de.
Bagantag.
Bagantag. Yeah. You get 3 nice fish and a little red fish. Yeah.
Breakfast in the bag here.
Red fish in the bag. He really, he make the gap. He make the season.
You made it cut, but you go
Yeah.
fully pot.
So this is it, yeah. What you put? See the size, nicely pay. And yeah, we're gonna rack up. Time to leave. Right now, you're feeling cold, net pull up, and I the vibes there. Yeah, people, I stayed cute. What's going on here, people? Let's clean up nice. Nice vibes. Them fellas, they rocking up. So, yes, people, it's about that time. You know, a little late. We gotta go down the road. So, it was nice. I enjoy it. I enjoy the food. I enjoy the fishing. Yeah, proper thing. So, yes, people, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to look out for the next adventure.